heavy cutting applications, complex materials and high quality standards. These are some of the challenges our customers face into heavy-duty sector. And this is the reason why they need a reliable partner like CERATIZIT. Wherever the customer is, whatever the challenge is he's facing, we can support him with a wide network of experts from all over the world. I am in Andoain in Spain today at our customer Mendi, together with my colleagues Ángel and Coldo.
Resultado de la cooperación entre CERATIZIT y Mendi, hoy hablaremos de los nuevos estándares de mecanizado pesado.
We manufacture components for the oil and gas sector, hydropower, wind energy, and we build also larger and more complex components for our clients. Workpieces with an initial weight of several tons and highly complex surface structures bring their own challenges. We need powerful machines for milling and turning complex structures, from raw materials, our know-how, and of course, an experienced sparring partner with a service portfolio which includes more than just tools.
We're going to have a closer look into heavy duty today. We will see today a raw material of several tons from which we will get centimeter-sized chips, and at the end the outcome will be a stunning workpiece. Pictures like this cannot be seen anywhere outside of heavy machining, and Mendi is taking this segment to a whole new level.
Bien, como responsable de Mendi-Group, para abordar dichos mercados hemos decidido cooperar con un socio tecnológico para abordar mecanizados pesados de alta precisión.
Desde el grupo CERATIZIT agradecemos la actitud colaborativa de Mendi. Our customers, their needs, their challenges are what we are passionate about. We always want to provide them with the perfect machining solution.